हेलो किड्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं अल्फ़ाबेट ए से लेकर जेड तक। ए फॉर ant, बी फॉर बनाना, सी फॉर camel, डी फॉर डक, ई फॉर elephant, एफ फॉर fox, जी for grapes, H for house, I for igloo, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for ostrich, P for pot, Q for queen, R for rope, S for snake, T for train, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for box, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, A for ant, A for ant, B for banana, B for banana, C for camel, C for camel, D for duck, D for duck, E for elephant, E for elephant, F for fox, F for fox, G for grapes, G for grapes, H for house, H for house, I for igloo, I for igloo, J for joker, J for joker, K for kite, K for kite, L for lion, L for lion, M for monkey, M for monkey, N for nest, N for nest, O for ostrich, O for ostrich, P for pot, P for pot, Q for queen, Q for queen, R for rope, R for rope, S for snake, S for snake, T for train, T for train, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violin, W for watch, W for watch, X for box, X for box. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A. A for ant. B. B for banana. C. C for camel. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. F. F for fox. G. G for grapes. H. H for house. I for igloo. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for ostrich. P. P for pot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rope. S. S for snake. T. T for train. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for watch. X. X for box. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. तो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय।